Hello, I am Vikram Rajshekhar, one of the principal architects for Cadence Architects. At Cadence, we believe in creating sensorial experiences, thereby making strong statements. These statements not only create a sense of identity for themselves, but also for the end user. The site is located in Trivandrum, Kerala. It's about 17,000 square feet. So the site is situated off the main road uh, by a narrow 10 feet internal road. The site faces north. There are buildings all around it. It's a dense neighborhood. So there are residences in the front, on either side of the property, and there's a apartment block at the rear. The site had a natural drop right in the center of around 3 meters, and there was a retaining wall between the site and the apartment block in the rear. The client is from a business community in Trivandrum. They're a family of 4, him, his wife, and their 2 kids who were in their late teens when we did the house. Their initial requirement was a house which was extremely minimal and modern. Because of the dense surrounding, they wanted inward looking and an introverted house which gave them a lot of privacy in the neighborhood. We decided to take a different approach on the traditional courtyard house. We split the courtyard into 2 halves and created a central spine which connects the 2 halves of the building. The spine connects the water feature and the garden in one axis, and the public and the private in another axis. All the spaces flanking the courtyard have a deep porous edge in the form of balconies to negotiate the transition from outside to inside. The site had a natural level difference of around 3 meters in the rear. We used it to our advantage to create a lower ground with a ramp coming down, and then we used it to park our cars, the servants' quarters, and the service staircase in the rear which accessed all the floors above. The spine is flanked by a water feature and garden on either side. The water feature and the garden along the spine helps us organize the program. It helps us separate the private and the public spaces at the ground floor level. To get more privacy from the neighbors, the gardens are covered by these screens. So the plan creates these deep recesses which gives shade into the spaces. There is an overhang of the first floor which also creates a shaded entry. We enter the house in the center of the spine. We have the living room, the guest bedrooms, the master bedroom, the family and the dining spaces. The spine which separates the public and the private spaces also acts like a gallery space with artwork and sculptures. At the first level, the spine accommodates a library and seating spaces. The spine also separates the bedrooms at the upper level. The deep recessed balconies for the bedrooms create a sitting space, but at the same time, it cuts out the glare into the bedroom areas. The screen in the facade further helps cut down the glare into the bedroom and also adds to the minimalistic quality of the aesthetics. So the house at the uppermost level was designed as a retreat for the client, which housed a bedroom and a gym and a massage area in the rear. The house leads outside into an open to sky courtyard, which is terminated by a gazebo which we created right in the end. This gazebo also was enclosed by greenery on all the four sides to give it privacy. A circular cut was given in this gazebo slab to allow light into this space. The house has a very minimalistic sensibility to it. A similar sensibility also flows into the interiors. The house on the inside is imagined to be a very neutral or a mute backdrop to receive all the furniture in the varying colors, shapes, textures, etc. A very deliberate restraint has been exercised in articulating the form and the rendering of the same in all the materials. A lot of care was taken into sourcing the artwork and the sculpture for the house. We also involved a lot of artists to customize the artwork and the sculpture for us in this project. The house for us, in a certain sense, is a voluminous strand that weaves around all the distinctive gardens. Since the site had a very dense urban context and was conceived as an introverted design, landscape plays a very important role. It shields the residents from the surrounding, thereby adding to the privacy. It has got a very tropical feel and has a nice contrast to the sparse and the clean and minimalistic architecture which it houses.